Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you all how to do a very simple smoky eye for monolids.
Alright guys, let's get started. Let's get started. Okay, let's get started.
Alright everyone, so I have my full face on, and if you want to see all the products that I used, they will be listed in the description box below. So for a simple smoky eye, you're going to be taking a light colored base. I'm going to be using a color from my Modern Renaissance palette. Today I'm going to be using this burnt orange color right here, and I'm going to be applying it all over my lid and a little bit above my crease.
What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't.
So when you have monolids, you want to make sure that you're always blending your color above your crease.
This love could be easy.
So when you're doing a smoky eye, this is the part where you're going to be adding your color. So here you can add either a blue, a green, or a red. Today I'm going to be taking a red color with the same Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to be taking the red ochre color and blending it above my crease.
Will you still be here?
So now I'm going to be taking a dark brown color. With that same palette, I'm going to be taking this brown color right here and applying it all over my lid, including the center.
Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here?
So now with the blending brush, I'm going to be blending it out.
Just every day, but I want to do that because I want you. I want all of you.
Na na na, na 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 na. Will you still be here? Na na na, na 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 na.
So now with my brown color, I'm going to be applying it underneath in my lower lash line as well. Don't forget to blend.
Sunday morning, waking up with you. We got no plans, we got nothing.
Okay. Well, I guess I'll do the mine now.
Love me, I go start the coffee. Sunday morning, easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I like it. You holding me, tangled up in these sheets. Holding you, holding me, easy love. Wednesday night just hanging out, us two. Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry, I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay, okay, okay. I'm your sunshine mixed with a little hurricane. White hot angel with a daredevil You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. You know all the ways I.
So now you're going to be highlighting the inner corners of your eyes. Just take a light gold champagne color. This is the one that I'm going to be using for today, and applying it on the inner parts of your eyes.
You holding me, tangled up in these sheets, holding you, holding.
So this part is completely optional, but I'm going to be taking my Stila liquid eyeshadow in the color Smoldering Satin, and I'm going to be applying it on the inner parts of my lids as well.
My baby, we be cruising, oh, na na na, na na na, na na na, na na.
So now I'm going to be applying my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes, and I'll be right back. Alright everyone, so now I'm going to be applying my Jeffree Star liquid lipstick in the color Leo.
White hot angel with the daredevil's brain. This feeling, I just can't fight it. You know all the ways I like it. My north, you're my south, you're my east, you're my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we just can't deny it. Yeah, you know all the ways I like it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Yeah, holding you, holding me. Is it love? Yeah, you and me. Yeah, got me tangled up all in these sheets. Holding you, holding me. Is it love? She may be pretty, she may be smart, she may be funny, she's changed your broken heart. I'll never be her, although I try. She may seem perfect for you, but so am I. That I know it's wrong.
Alright everyone, this is going to be the final look for today. I hope you all enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single Friday. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram and my Twitter. All links will be listed down below. Again, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.